home invasions throughout Bell County have turned into a search for a known fugitive. Omar Pauly, native of Holland, Texas, was arrested in 1967 for aggravated assault and larceny and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. After his release, Omar Pauly was implicated in a string of incidents outside McLennan County, where he was arrested again but managed to escape authorities. His current whereabouts are unknown. The search continues.
The others! Wait. Maybe they're here? Sonny! I'm here!
Nothing to it. A tool. Maybe I can use this.
These people are twisted. So damn twisted. Oh, Leland.
Yes. Connie! Over here!
Oh, nice.